Hey, all you sixth grade mathematicians. Let's do lesson 115, which is called Writing Rates as Ratios. So these are very important that you'll use in life, in sports, in finances, and as doing something as basic as going to the grocery store. A ratio is a comparison of two different numbers, measurements, quantities. Okay, what a rate is a comparison of two different measurements or numbers using different units. All right, so that's what the difference between the two is specifically. And a rate is a type of ratio. It's just kind of more specific. So for example, if I had to go buy some asparagus, and it was $1 per pound, that's the ratio. Or excuse me, that's the rate. For every 1 pound of asparagus, I pay $1. All right, there's the relationship between two different things. All right, we have dollars and pounds. And how that would look, it would look just like a fraction, just like this. All right, so $1 and then pound. All right. So there are some words that we can use that would send a signal that we're using a rate. And those are per, in, for each, and out of. When we see those, we should write them as a fraction in two different units because those are rates. All right, so what's very important here? The concept's pretty easy about writing them. The most important thing is including the units, because that's the whole point of rates, is comparing two different types of units. So you cannot forget that. It defeats the purpose. Because if you say, for example, 1/1, well, what does that mean? What are you comparing? No, it's $1 per pound. Okay, so let's do the first practice, $3 per hour. And we know for all of these, it looks like the first thing mentioned in the practice is going to be the numerator. So $3 will be my numerator. And then 1 hour will be my denominator, just like this. Okay, $3 per hour. What does that mean? Well, it means for every hour I work, for example, I get $3, which would be very, very low, and I think illegal in this country. But that's what it would be, and so that's what you do for the practice. Just make those into fractions, and there's something very useful. So do the practice and then the problem set. Okay, thanks.